In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the fiscal year in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for maintaining accurate financial records and preparing your business for the upcoming year. We're going to break it down into simple steps that should take no more than 5 minutes of your time. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to QuickBooks Online's login page. You'll want to sign in, so go ahead and click on the sign in option you see on the screen. Once you've clicked that, you'll be presented with a few service options. Be sure to select QuickBooks Online. This choice is crucial as there are various QuickBooks services and we're focusing on QuickBooks Online specifically. Now type in your login credentials. These include your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to confirm your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Once you have everything ready, click continue to sign in. After you're logged in, we need to go to your account settings. Move your cursor to the upper right hand corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it and from the drop down list select account and settings. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to close the fiscal year. Navigate to the advanced section. This area contains several important features, including the option to close your books, something vital for locking in your financials for the fiscal year. Once you're in the advanced section, look for the accounting subsection. Now look for the option labeled close the books. You'll want to turn this feature on. By enabling it, you're going to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes to your financial records from the closing date forward. If you haven't set this option before, don't worry, it's a simple toggle that you can switch to the on position. Next, you'll need to choose a closing date. This closing date is significant, as it's the last day of your fiscal year and signals the point from which your books are locked. Most businesses choose December 31st, but depending on your business type, it might differ. Make sure this date aligns with your fiscal year end. Once you've chosen your closing date, confirm your settings by clicking on Save and Done. This is the final step and ensures all your changes are secured. With that, you've successfully closed your fiscal year in QuickBooks Online, your financial records are now safeguarded, and your accounting practices are up to date. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your financials and back up your data before making significant changes like closing your books. It's a small step that can prevent future headaches. Thank you for joining me today, and for more QuickBooks tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos.